What's up?
Not much. How about you?
Just standing here. What about you?
Oh, well, I was just wondering what is this social Darwinism people speak of?
Oh, well, I know exactly what it is, and I'll tell you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Social Darwinism is the belief of survival of the fittest.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know that. Can you give me some examples? I'm a little confused.
Oh, sure, Kevin. I'd be delighted to. Follow me.
Hey, Phil. What are we doing out here?
Oh, well, I'm going to show you an example of social Darwinism.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no! Oh, Phil, why'd you do that?
I had to show you what survival of the fittest is.
By pushing me down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this theory dates back to Darwin. Do you know who he is?
I've heard of him.
Yeah, he's a cool guy. Yeah.
Oh.
Social Darwinism is also used in books like The Jungle.
Welcome to the jungle!
But, yeah, we're gonna go right to a commercial, guys. So, we'll be right back.
Wait, Phil, who are you talking
No,
to?
commercial.
Sometimes it makes me sad, though. Andy being gone. I have to remind myself that some birds aren't meant to be caged. Their feathers are just too bright. And when they fly away, the part of you that knows it was a sin to lock them up does rejoice. But still, the place you live in is that much more drab and empty that they're gone.
Wow, that seems like a swell place, don't you think?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So, do you have any more questions on your project, Kevin?
Well, I'm just a little confused. I mean, how does pushing me off a cliff show me survival of the fittest? Like, isn't there just more to it?
Oh, yeah, there is more to it. It's also means survival in the workplace and in the wilderness. Yeah.
Oh, can you give me some example of that?
Yeah, today movies like The Hunger Games show social Darwinism and how it relates today.
Oh.
Yeah. There's also a movie that's just being released right now, folks. It's called The Jungle Games. Yeah, it's about a bunch of people, teenagers, that come to America searching for jobs, but they have to fight for it. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff.
Oh, wow, it does sound pretty exciting.
Yeah. Here's a clip. Wow, that's a pretty cool movie, don't you think?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's called The Jungle Games.
Oh,
wow.
I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
That kid will beat the out of that other kid. Definitely got a job.
What? You don't know that. You're gonna have to watch the movie.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. I can't wait.
Yeah.
Hey, guys.
Hey, who are you?
I'm his father. Who are you?
I'm Abby's friend. You're not supposed to be here.
Yeah, Dad. What are you doing here? I just want to know. What are you guys talking about?
Social Darwinism.
Social Darwinism, huh?
Yeah.
What is that?
Survival of the fittest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is what I think it is.
Ah! It's time to stop, Kevin.
Dad, what are you doing? I'm showing you what survival of the fittest is.
There's more to it than that. Tell him, Kevin.
There is more to it than that, Dad. Really? Exactly what, Mr. Phil?
It's survival in the workplace, survival in the community, doing stuff to be ahead of other people.
Yeah, Dad. Don't you understand? I think I got it.
You gonna go see the Jungle Games?
Yeah, we could all go see it together.
I'll go by myself.
Oh, okay.
Nice show. We'll see you again. Bye.
Bye. Bye.